5 Best Ways to Make Money Online in 2022. There are many reasons why people want to make money online. Besides being able to work from home with a flexible schedule, you can reach a global market with a low startup cost. If you want to learn about online money-making ideas, this video is for you. Top 5 Quick Ways to Earn Money Online. 1. Review websites. If you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great freelance job to make fast cash and a good starting point for newbies looking to enter the web development industry. Here are a few marketplaces where people can sign up for website testing projects: Userbrain, Testbirds, Userlytics, TryMyOI. Check links below. 2. Performing voiceover work online. Help bring a story to life by lending your voice to children's storybooks, novels, and everything in between. Ads with voiceovers are still a popular way for companies to market their products and services. One of the easiest ways to get started is by creating a profile on Upwork and responding directly to job ads looking for voiceover talent. Signing up on freelance websites is an excellent way to test the waters and compare voiceover jobs currently available. Alternatively, sign up on sites like Voices or ACX, which connect voiceover talents with clients and audiobook narrators with authors. 3. Selling digital products is one of the best ways for artists to earn extra money. List your creations on art marketplaces like DeviantArt and ArtStation. This is a great way to gain exposure in the online community of creatives and reach potential clients. Alternatively, sell artwork and designs independently via social media. For example, Facebook had over 2 billion monthly active users as of October 2021, while Instagram had over 1 billion. Such numbers make these platforms great for increasing exposure. 4. Blogging is an excellent way for avid writers to earn a source of income. Start a blog about anything, like travel blogs, food blogs, or book blogs. Researching some of the most popular blog ideas can also help you find a profitable niche. Some common ways to make money blogging are through advertising, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and selling products. 5. Joining an affiliate marketing program is another great way to make money online. Earn a commission as an affiliate by promoting products, services, or businesses on multiple platforms.